linen is very important in the market, and reseller wise and even every woman's one of the favorite cotton sarees are important and fast moving product, right? Yes, my friends, I'm talking about your favorite one of the cotton saree, linen cotton. Yes, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Once again, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. As I told you, linen cotton sarees are very demanded at the market, and women's one of the favorite sarees, especially for the working ladies. Yes. So today I'm going to show you for this season, the latest arrivals has come for the linen cotton at the friendly budget range of varieties at the wholesale manufacturing price with 8 set of colors with different design. And I'm going to show you the 4 designs with every 5 samples. Keep watching this video, my friends. Resellers, every product you can do online purchase, and women, especially teachers, professors, lecturers, you can also do online purchase by sharing 20,000 is a minimum COD order where you can get it from your location. So Doriwala Square building opposite to Surat Railway Station, Kesaria. Please, you can visit for this season to blast your selling 2026. The sales, the back to back, the festival season has started, so don't miss it out, the latest new arrivals. So subscribe the channel. As I told you, I brought for you the one of the fast moving selling product. So first pattern, I want to show you the batik print with the 2-tone shade of minimal zari borders, where you can see the copper zari border, one of the south pattern, and you got the mini tassel of the thread with the dark contrast of the color, which is purple. And here you can see the pink, you can see the lavender color, and you can see the purple shade. In this, I'm just brought for you the 5 colors. One I've showed you the kesar color, one is the brown shade, one you got the navy blue shade, and one of the black shade. So 5 colors I'm showing you, but every set having 8 color charts. Next color, when I talk about the beige green, you have a bird printed, you have beautiful sober classy, one of the fast moving. When I want to talk about the 5 colors, here you can see the kesar color, you can see the one of the mud black, and you can see one of the light green shade, or you can come to compare to the mehendi green color, and you can see over here light maroon pink. This is the one of the pattern. Next color, if I talk about the geometrical pattern with a white color combination, which goes with every single color chart. Here is a beautiful pattern of the geometrical with the animal print at the borders, both the sides, with the copper border, minimal zari border. And here I got the color charts, which is a black color. I got the dark purple, I got the bottle green, and I got the brown color. So these are the color charts. Every saree you got new lovely collections. If I talk about the next pattern, which is a checks pattern, again the 3 tones of shade, but top and bottom the tone will be same, and the mid of the body part is light, where you can see the bottle black and bottle green, and you see here black, which compares the black color, and elephant printed, and the lovely waves pattern you can see here, and the checks pattern. The saree looks like this. The color charts are, you have a purple, you have a light maroon, you have a light brown, you have a dark purple shade. So these are the patterns. Every saree I brought for you the 5 samples. So I just showed you the linen cotton sarees, which are one of the fast moving resellers. If you are a boutique reseller or the shop owner or doing online business, please hurry up for these collections. These are the way, the production, how the gettings are reaching the set to set. So that's why you should also buy purchase, and you should give the options to your customers, and different colors also you can keep the margin while selling. But you should buy from the right manufacturer. Quality, quantity, online COD. Hope you enjoyed this linen cotton. So hope quickly, the numbers are scrolling on the screen. Please place an order, and don't forget to share Rani Talks Tamil and Telugu Instagram and YouTube page. And I'm sharing you the helpful many more videos with you. And don't forget to share your name and city in the comments, and which saree you liked it also let me share. And next video will come up with new more latest collections. Until then, keep supporting me.